6140M 8-bolt hub. This is a 740 axle. It's been completely gone through, rebuilt, new bearings, new seals. So this is a direct replacement for your 6140M. It would replace a 6145M also. And then we also offer it as a heavy duty upgrade for 6105M through 6130R. It would also be an upgrade for a 6030 Premium, 6030 Standard, 6020. Could even put it on a 6000, but the price point probably gets a little away from us at some point there. So the upgrade would only be something if you had a tractor that had you was on the feedlot and you used it almost every day, you know, and you've had axle problems. So where we see these go bad, we've already solved that problem. We put the grease fitting in. When the kingpin goes bad, it falls down and it smashes your steering, or it smashes this housing. There's a lip here that we have not been able to figure out how to machine it yet. So basically you have to replace the main axle housing when you do that. So kingpins, top and bottom, are greasable. So are all the wear points, basically.